Dr. Arjuk Majan, it is November 5th, 2021. I'm here with one of my patients who just had the Deuk laser disc repair done yesterday for herniated discs in his lower back. He had a L5S1 and L4-5 herniations. He came to us with really bad back pain, right?
Yeah.
And how long have you had that back pain?
I started having that back pain like 30 years ago when I had a little accident with that. I was lifting something real heavy and just messed it up.
So a lifting injury to the lower back with 2 herniated discs and back pain for 30 years. What made you decide to get it fixed now?
I was passing the last 30 years back and forth with the pain. I thought I can deal with that, but then the last 3 or 4 months just went from probably 5, 6, 4 to probably 10 for 2 or 3 months. And that's why I realized I cannot stay like that.
Yeah. So what happened was you injured your back with a tear in the disc wall, and the jelly in the center called the nucleus, it pushed through. We call that a herniation. And then the tear was trying to heal for 30 years, trying to heal. But every time you did something strenuous, it pushed a little bit more of the jelly out. So I went yesterday and I found the tear and I cleaned the whole tear. And surgery went beautiful.
Unbelievable was today I don't have any pain.
No pain. So the pain for 30 years is
it's gone.
Gone.
It's
cured.
gone. Right now it's gone.
Yeah, and we didn't give you any pain medicine, so
No.
you're natural.
Yeah. It was once you remove that, everything go away.
Are you happy?
Oh yeah. I will be more, and the more time passes, I realize I can start doing more stuff like I used to.
It's
I'm
amazing.
going back to the horse.
Yeah, I'm going back to I used to ride horses.
No riding horses now. I want you to wait 6 months before you ride a
I
horse.
thought it was a year, see?
Well, 6 months minimum, preferably closer to a year. But yes, you can go back to the horse. After 1 year, the disc will be completely healed, and you can do whatever you want the rest of your life. It won't come back.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So, are you happy with the results of the Deuk laser disc repair?
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm grateful for what you did. You really did a real nice job. That's amazing what you did.
Thank you.
I really appreciate what you did for me.
Now, were you offered any other treatments before by some other surgeons?
No, well, just trying the natural stuff, like, anti-inflammatory, prolozone shots, stuff like that. They help me, again, buy time, a little bit here, a little bit there, but never fix it
But
completely.
even the doctor said that you might gonna have to have surgery
Eventually.
in the future. So
Yeah. And how did you find the Deuk Spine Institute?
Was really, searching on the internet and asking people, questions here and there. I have a friend who have some issues, and she told me, I don't know if it was about you or somebody, but somebody told me something there about this kind of surgery. We start looking on the internet until we find out you. Say, let's go. They ask, for appointment and see what it is. And that's what I realized when you explained to me how it is and you show me the movies. I realized, it's different, definitely, because here before about another kind of laser surgery, and when you explain what you're doing, completely deliver different, the whole thing, you see? Mm-hmm. And that's why I decide, I can take a chance here because it looks more safe than other way. Mm-hmm. That was what I was skeptical before until I get to you. That's when I realized that.
And your wife is over here. Is she happy that your back is fixed now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm very happy. And the things.
Come over here. Come on in the video.
Outdoor guy.
Come over here and sit down. Tell us.
He's an outdoor guy, and he loved nature. He loved to do his horses. He just don't stop working, and he loved to do that. And lately, he was mad, miserable, upset about everything, And then my back hurt. I cannot do that anymore. And it was very emotional. See him now, so happy.
A lot of people don't understand when someone has pain, chronic pain, the spouse suffers also because you have to, see him suffering every day.
That's right, and affect many things that he's happy about doing, and now he was kind of thinking about it, like, getting in the tractor for him is fun, but lately he said, I cannot be in the tractor, and he will come inside and in pain and lay in bed and miserable. So And now he's just excited. He's buying a new tractor now.
All right, very good. Well, congratulations to both of you.
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
You're the medical doctor for sure. Well, yesterday when you were in the middle of his surgery, I contacted my uncle. He's in New York. That he's suffering from the same problem. He's older, and he's coming down to get you to do his surgery. And I have another cousin that also suffer a lot of issues with herniated disc and sclerosis and
Yes.
all kind of issues that she have in her back. And she say, "Oh my God, this is what I'm looking for." So we'll see.
We'll fix them all. We'll fix them all.
I'm very thrilled. I'll be. It's like when you know something is good, you cannot stop talking about it. You gotta tell the truth.
And I can't stop doing it.
That's right.
Right? Because I know it's so
Well,
good
God
for
sent
people.
you for a reason here.
Yeah, I agree.
You're doing it.
All right, guys. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much,
Thank you.
Doctor. Appreciate it.